How's it guys and ladies, if you're following. Anyway brothers, so check this. The pulley box is getting towards its final. I'm assembling it now, and so its function is to drop the speed here down using this larger pulley, and which then is the energy is transferred to this pulley here, this wheel here out there. Then you can attach something on there. This is really the bottom of it, so that then seals that up. This little pin to go here. At the top you can drive it from here, or it has this box which I don't have all the parts for at hand. I should have maybe got that, but there they are there. It's got two little rolling things here which can convert the rotation in this axis to, well, the rotation from there going around like that to something that's here going like this. Yeah, so it can do all of that. I just need to print one or two more pins, but anyway, it seems to work quite well, chaps. Check. The print is not amazing, but you get the idea. I mean, it's functioning, and it seems to function quite well. Anyway, critique me, Saga out. I meant critique me. Saga out.